recognize it. I'm gonna order a taxi. Ooh, let me see through my phone. Oh, I see a taxi. Let me order. Only one V-Bucks card? Wow.
Wait, I got an order. I gotta go.
Oh, my taxi came.
Our next destination is the trampoline.
This is gonna be so fun. I'm about so high. Someone will see me and I'll go to them too. Do you think this will be exciting? Yeah. This will be a great trip. And I got it for cheap too.
We arrived at our destination.
Yep. On my way to the trampoline. Boing, boing, boing. Look, we're going to jump so high. Wait, I found pay. Here's the money for pay for the trip. Here's the magic money. That sounds so good. Walking back to my taxi. I know destination to go to. Totally not bumpy, right? What? Whee! Yep. Here are you.
My taxi's here. Here you go, taxi. Wow, you've got a lot of orders.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Good.
Okay, well, I wonder where we're going.
We're going to the trampoline.
Oh yeah, I'm so excited to go there. All right.
On my way.
On the destination.
On my way. What? So, this is going to be the best day ever. Nothing is going to stop us now. So, what do you think of it? Of course it will.
Guys, we gotta stop for some gas.
Yeah.
We gotta do a U-turn.
Oh, man.
We will be at our destination soon.
Aww. When do we have to stop for gas? Ain't fair.
All right, we got the gas now. Let's fill up.
Now time for our destination.
Alright, now we're going to the destination.
Trip. Yep.
Haven't you already been here?
Yeah, I just want to do it with another person.
See you guys in part 2.